Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Babu. Today we are going to discuss about mutual funds. Mutual funds is a kind of a common goal for a large investors and money pooled by large number of investors and managed by fund managers or professional fund managers. So in mutual funds where we are having some safety and security by diversification of the funds into different ways through professional fund managers or fund managers, and it will provides additional protection and security for our funds so that to maximize our profits and maximize our returns. The basic features of and advantages of mutual funds are liquidity, diversification of funds, minimum investment requirements, professional engagement means involvement or and variety. Offering the disadvantages or like high fees, commission is a main drawback for the investors because the fund managers charge a high fee, and the difficulty of comparing the funds to one fund to another fund. Types of mutual funds: there are some different types of mutual funds because of the convenience and flexibility of the investors. They will select the different set of the funds to reach the investment objectives. There are the funds like equity funds, fixed income funds, indexed funds, balanced funds, money market funds. These are the common mutual funds in the market for investment concern, and these funds can be having their own merits and demerits while investing in the market, and these funds will be selected by the investors according to their convenience and flexibility for investing in the market. These all the funds will be adjusted according to the net asset value, and based on the value of funds, then the value of NAV can be determined. Specific number of units allotted by the fund managers. That is the reason the mutual funds is units adjusted according to the NAV value. NAV is a net asset value where we can able to determine the value of the fund in the market. And thank you for watching the video and your participation, and please do watch our videos, further videos, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.